Excitement and relaxation starts here at Brynowen Holiday Park. Looking for a fun-filled break with all the family? Or maybe you can't wait for some peace and quiet? Explorers and snorers, we welcome you all. In a hillside situation above a lovely long beach, close to hill walking country and 15 minutes drive to Aberystwyth, you'll not be short of things to do and see. If it's looking for action and attractions on park, we've got you covered. There's plenty to keep the kids busy with their own club, adventure playground and soft play. You'll all love the indoor pool with twisting slide, the arcade, mini 10-pin bowling and sports court, and the delicious family menu at the Boathouse Bar and Grill. Plus, there's live entertainment and loads more. Maybe you're seeking some adventure and to explore the outdoors. Seize the day trip and take the chance to explore some of the wonders of Wales just on our doorstep. It's the perfect place to relax, unwind and have great family fun, whatever you choose to do. Caravanners, lodgers and tourers. You'll all feel at home at Brynowen Holiday Park. So what are you waiting for? Holiday like you mean it and book your trip to Brynowen Holiday Park today.